The camera industry as we know it has just been dismantled. For years, there was a hierarchy. Sony had the autofocus, Canon had the colors, and Nikon. Well, Nikon had the legacy. But something happened in 2024 that changed the trajectory of imaging forever. Nikon bought Red Digital Cinema. At first, the world thought it was just a business move. We thought it might take years to see the results. But right now, in the shadow of 2026, the first true child of that marriage is about to be born. This is the Nikon Z8 Mark II. It is not just a baby Z9 anymore. It is the first hybrid camera in history to carry the DNA of a Hollywood cinema house. If you are a filmmaker, a wedding photographer, or a wildlife specialist in the US, you need to understand that the rules of the game have just been rewritten. The Nikon Z8 II is here to take the crown, and it's doing it with a level of aggression we haven't seen from Nikon in decades. Let's talk about the red revolution. This is the biggest selling point of the Z8 II, and the reason you cannot afford to skip this video. For the first time ever, Nikon is integrating red code RAW and the legendary IPP2 color science directly into a Z-mount body. Do you understand what that means? It means you are getting the color science used in Stranger Things and Guardians of the Galaxy in a mirrorless camera that fits in your backpack. No more Nikon colors, no more struggling with flat profiles. Just genuine, Hollywood-grade internal 12-bit RAW. This is the death blow to the competition. Sony and Canon are still playing with lob profiles while Nikon is giving you the keys to the cinema kingdom. But power is nothing without a brain to control it. The Z8 II is rumored to debut the XP8 AI engine. This isn't just a faster processor, it's a predictive machine. Nikon has moved beyond subject tracking. We are now entering the era of deep intent autofocus. Using the massive data libraries from Nikon's acquisition of specialized AI firms, the Z8 II can now predict where a bird is going to fly before it even flaps its wings. It understands human skeletal movement to such a degree that even if a subject is completely obscured by a tree or a wall, the focus stays locked on the exact spot where they will reappear. It's like having a focus puller from a professional film crew living inside your camera. Now let's talk about the sensor. The original Z8 was legendary for its stacked sensor architecture, but the Z8 II is pushing for the fast-scan 45.7 megapixel sensor. This is a specialized readout technology that virtually eliminates rolling shutter. In fact, the readout speed is so fast that Nikon has once again removed the mechanical shutter entirely. But this time they've perfected it. There is zero banding under artificial lights, zero distortion on fast-moving objects, and a flash sync speed that will make studio photographers weep with joy. We are talking about 1/500th of a second flash sync without high-speed sync. This is the pinnacle of sensor technology. But what about the heat? High-resolution 8.3K video at 60 frames per second usually turns a camera into a toaster. Not here. Nikon has leaked a new thermal graphite cooling system by using aerospace-grade graphite heat sinks that wrap around the processor and sensor. The Z8 II can record 8.3K internal RAW for over 2 hours without a single overheating warning. This isn't just a hybrid, it's a cinema camera that happens to take world-class photos. Think about the workflow of a modern creator in New York or LA. You are expected to be a one-man